Kung kayo ay talagang pumapasok sa opisina, kung kayo ay talagang nandoon sa opisinang yon, iriring nyo kayo ng lungsod ng Maynila. Sabihin nyo na yan sa kapatid nyo, kaanak nyo. Ang hindi ko iriring yung JO, yung naga-house to house na JO. Primo, ikaw papasok sa trabaho, sasabak sa bagyo, baha, and so on and so forth. Yung kasama mong JO, nakahilata, may 15, may 14. I mean, that's unfair. So, while it is true that we are going to cost cut, but we are going to cost cut efficiently. Hindi whimsical, hindi capriccio. Kaya, yung katulad ng binulong sa akin, maswerte itong mga nakabanda. Ayan. May 22 kayo, sabi mo? Sabihin mo sa kanila, effective July 1. Kaya pala mahina yung musika kanina. Kulang-kulang na. Nakakaawa naman. Hindi, pumanatag kayo. Walang politika rito. Warm bodies, functioning, being utilized by the city and your offices. You tell them, your department head will know this later on. Pero gusto ko na kayo na, sa bibig ko na mismo ninyo marinig. Papasukin nyo sila, kasama sila ulit sa pamahalaang lungsod ng Maynila. So that you have this kind of peace of mind and certainty. So muli sa inyong lahat, handa na ba kayo? Yes! Handa na ba kayo? Yes! Ngayon, magbobotohan tayo. Mag-e-election tayo. Taasan ang kamay so that you will know. And we will know what the majority wants or what is more beneficial to the greatest number, or in this case, city employees of the City of Manila. May concern sa akin. Sabi, ano ba, 8 to 5 o 7 to 4? Teka lang. Hindi po ito sabayang bigkas. This time, tutuldukan natin to. I will hear you. I will listen to you. And I will follow your decision. Taas ang kamay. Tandaan ninyo ha, pag-isipan nyo maigi. This is it. Taas ang kamay na gustong 7 to 4. Sige lang. Okay. Okay. Oh. Bigyan naman natin ng chance yung bandang wakali. Taas ang kamay ng gusto 8 to 5. Ang tawag dyan, ayan ang resulta nung nakaraang halalan. Mudslide. We are 7. Remember, it is your will, it is your request, it is your voice. Now you have a city government who listens to you. Okay? So 7 to 4. Hoy, mga department at saka bureau, walang 7 to 4 sa akin. Broken hours po kami. Totoo lang. Siguro nakaka-30 hours
6 to 10
pa lang
na
ako
kami.
na total na tulog since Monday. But that's the least of your problem. So, 7 to 4. We're okay? I love you. Ulitin ko ha. Huwag kayong mahihiya magpa-promote kasi wala kayong kakilala. Please. Wag. If you feel that you deserve it and you're due and it is merit, you have a city government who can see these things. Okay? Maliwanag ba? Oh, that's it for today. Mag-iingat kayo. Kailangan ko kayo. And I alone cannot do this on my own. Every one of you. We have to come together. That includes our people. Because together, we can make Manila great again. Magandang araw. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila! God first. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po aming minamahal na Alkalde Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso. Muli, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating minamahal na Alkalde. Sa pagkakataon pong ito, meron po tayong mga donation coming from the Federation of Filipino-Chinese Association of the Philippines,